Do you dream about selling Notion templates, but you don't have the time to start, or you don't have the skills? Well, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can start your own Notion template without having to start from scratch. So I'm gonna show you how you can use a PLR Notion template, make your own, and use databases that are already done for you so you can focus on just customizing it and adding tweaks. If you don't know me, my name is Leticia. I've been selling Notion templates since 2022 and I am absolutely obsessed with Notion. Now I help other creators just like you to sell their own Notion templates so they can make a fun source of income selling Notion templates. So one of the biggest challenges people face, they want to sell the Notion templates, they have the ideas, they are so excited, but they don't have the time. Maybe you have a 9-to-5 job, maybe you have small kids, you are just busy with your life, but you want a way that you can express yourself. So Notion is a great idea because it's free, it has a very low cost to get started, and using a PLR Notion template, it's what's gonna save you honestly lots of time, because I already spent that time, so you don't have to. I spent weeks working on this Notion template. It's an all-in-one Notion template that you can just tweak and resell it, or you can just tweak and use it for yourself as well. So what is a PLR Notion template? Basically, a PLR, it stands for private label rights, which means that you can customize this template and resell it as your own. So you can resell it on your shop, you can resell it on Etsy, on Gumroad, on your own website. And the main benefit of using PLRs is because you don't have to start from zero. So maybe you don't have the time, or you are not very confident with your Notion skills. So you can use this and just focus on the fun part. At least that is what I love the most when it comes to creating templates. I love to create their own branding and tweak that template for my ideal customer. So let's say you want to create a travel planner for people that want to go to Europe, so you can tweak that template, add unique things, unique content, think about the branding that you want to add so it resonates with your dream customers. And this is basically one of the most fun parts of creating Notion templates, because you can express yourself, express your creativity, and make extra money on the side. So as I said in the beginning, I've been selling Notion templates since 2022. I started selling my Notion templates on Etsy. I sold over 2,000 templates on my first year whilst I was working full time. So this is something that you can do on the side. You don't have to quit your job. You can just invest some extra time and put these templates in the marketplace or on your own website. And of course, you need to do the marketing, all the things. It's a business like anything else. The great thing about selling Notion templates is that you only have to create them once and you can sell them forever. And of course, it's pretty much passive. It's not 100% passive, but if you add tutorials, if you make sure people are happy with your template, it's so much easier because you get very low customer service. I only get like 1 to maybe maximum 5 messages a week that from customers that need help. Most of them don't need any help because I give them a tutorial. So if you are planning to sell, this is how you can do to stand out. There's a lot of people looking for Notion templates, and the competition is growing as well. It's not very high, but it's growing. So if you want to stand out, you need to find a way to be different. So a way that you can do that is to tailor your Notion template for a specific kind of customer. So it can be a mom, it can be a student, it can be, you can use different designs and different branding, because if you only post a Notion template that is already available in the market, especially that if you copy a bestseller, for example, this strategy doesn't work. Don't copy bestsellers, because what would make someone buy your template instead of a bestseller if you're just copying them? Create your own version, find your own spin on your Notion template, add bonuses, and offer something extra that adds value to that customer. What is a PLR Notion template? we're going to dive into the fun bit, which is like customizing it. So this is a PLR template kit that I sell on my website. It's basically an all-in-one PLR Notion template that you can just tweak it and sell it as your own, or you can use it for yourself as well. So here you can get some inspiration, some ideas of what it's possible to create. Oh my god, oh, look at the sun. Look at the sun in the UK today. It doesn't last because it was raining like 5 minutes ago. So with the PLR template, you can just go and duplicate your template. Because this is a PLR, it has the commercial license, so you can sell it. So you need to duplicate the template, and this is what you get. So the template is already done for you, personal life planning, all the databases, habits, all the habit tracker, you know, agenda. Everything is done for you, so you just have to customize it, because you're not going to sell a template that is bland. You want to add your own touch to it. So here's an example of a template that I created from that PLR Notion template. So all I did was I customized the banner, the icons, but the databases are basically the same. I just added a few tweaks, and I created all these covers in Canva. You can easily create them for free as well. I like this magic, like witchy vibe, and I created this one. And all the pages, as I said, they are already done. The self-care planner, like all databases, everything is pretty much done. And what I recommend is that you go through each page if you are planning to sell this, and tweak all the pages, because the template, in the template you don't have the covers. Everything is only the databases and the template layout that is done for you, so you have to tweak everything else to make it appealing to your dream customer. So here is another idea that I created using the same PLR as well. So what I did was I wanted a different vibe for this one, using more neutral colors. So I also created the cards in Canva. This is all images, the covers I created in Canva, all this as well. And I added the layout, it's very similar. Databases are the same. Just from this one PLR Notion template, you can create an infinite number of Notion templates and resell them, and they are gonna look completely different, and that's how you stand out. You are the magic of your Notion templates. I always say that to my students. And if you are planning to sell Notion templates and you need some more profitable ideas to sell on your shop, I've created a Notion template with 77 profitable Notion template ideas that you can create and sell, and most of them are even available in this PLR Notion template. For example, a travel planner, you have a travel planner inside this PLR, so you can just duplicate the travel planner page and make it into a unique template that you can resell it on your shop. So if you want that, make sure you get it in the description. I'll leave the link for you. It's free. If you have any questions, just leave in the description. I'm happy to help you. In my next video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to customize a PLR Notion template, how to create the Canva covers, how to add your own tweaks, how to change the layout, and how to get ready to sell. So if you want to watch that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like below. Bye!